Greetings, Vac fans. This is a viewer request by Aiden Forrester. So Aiden, I hope I'm saying your name right. I have a Dyson DC14 Animal, and we got some flour. So let's see what this can do with extreme edge cleaning. Put some flour here on the medium pile carpet that is flow through. Then let's go ahead and put some beside the carpet, like you're vacuuming off of an edge. And then, every bagless machine's nightmare, let's put some under the carpet. And to let you know, this DC14 on my airflow box measures 59 CFM at the nozzle. This machine does have a tremendous amount of suction. In fact, I featured it in one of my suction videos where I was measuring it way up close to where the motor airflow originates, and it was like 120 inches of water lip, so it's got an awful lot of suction there. But this is really neat because there's a little air channel right in here, and there's also this little scrapey thing, but that's not, you can see it right here, that's not going to actually touch the concrete at all. So you got some airflow down here. Will it be enough to pick up the debris that's just off of the carpet? All right, here we go. Hey, look at that, look at that. So having this little air notch right in here, they did that on purpose, gives you the ability to pick up, I mean, I can put like, well, maybe a finger and a half or so in this gap, and it will pick the flour up. So it did that. On the top of the carpet, it did a very good job. I don't think it's perfect, but it's pretty close. But here's every bagless vacuum's nightmare. Let's see what's under the carpet. And as you can see, it didn't touch anything under the carpet. So this does a great job surface cleaning, whether the surface happens to be on top of the carpet or just off of the carpet down here. But you see, this is a nozzle design that Dyson has abandoned many, many years ago. This machine is from 2004. And you saw that the DC65 did much worse than the DC14. So the DC14, for what it is, that gets a thumbs up. Anyway, thanks for watching, and more extreme cleaning videos to come.